Hey Juan, it's Max. This is the video that I promised you. All I ask in return is just that you give me some feedback, whether that be your thoughts or questions, and you can do that through either phone call, text, or email. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So this is your website, and the general gist here is to rank in Google for select key terms that are being searched by consumers every month. And I picked this specific key term because I know it's being searched because I use this software called Ahrefs that shows me that there's 250 to 280 searches every month for painters in Augusta. And so that's 250 people actively searching for the service that you provide. Okay. And so really, we would want you to be in this Google Map Pack or organically ranking number one here. That way, these people that are searching for this keyword can find your webpage, get into contact with you, and turn into business. Okay. However, as you can see, this is your website right now. The SSL is not secured, and for whatever reason, it's blocking me from even getting into your website. I can try and click on, one of your pages down here, but it's just giving me Bluehost support. So there's not a whole lot that I can show you about your website today. And this is what's happening to all the customers that are going to your website right now. So generally though, what you would want is to have 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page that have these specific keywords in there. And then that way your website becomes relevant to these search terms. Okay. The second thing is you would want backlinks going to your website, which a backlink is one website linking to your website, which kind of passes power and relevance and is almost like a vote in Google's eyes for you to be ranking. I did take your URL here and I threw it into Ahrefs again, and it shows me that you have 2 backlinks coming from 2 referring domains, which is a good ratio. However, they're not strong enough to where Google's not even recognizing them as any type of help to your website. Okay, so that's a good thing though, because you have a clean slate. So we would be able to go in there and just add fresh, strong, relevant backlinks to your page, and then you could start ranking in Google that way, and your website health would go up because there's nothing spammy holding it back. Okay. The third and final thing that we would be doing, obviously, we would probably have to reconstruct your website and get that content on there. But the third and final thing is we would be adding citations. And what a citation is your business name, business address, and business phone number placed in various directories on the web, kind of like Yellow Pages or Facebook and Chamber of Commerce. And then that way it just kind of verifies your business as a legit business, and your Google My Business page will become more verified in Google's eyes, and they will start putting you here in this top 3 for these specific searches. Okay, and this is important because a lot of the people that are searching these specific key terms are on mobile devices, and this is what comes up first. And so they're a lot more likely to click on one of these 3, which will take them to their website, which will have them get in contact with you and turn into business. Okay, so I hope that this was informative and helpful. Again, all I ask is just for some feedback, whether that be your thoughts or if you have any questions, you can text, call, or email me. And thank you for your time. Bye, Juan.